How to use Tolan application. So first things first, Tolan application as of the moment is only available via App Store or for iOS. However, if you are an Android user and would like to use this application, then all you have to do is to use LN Reader. That's gonna be on a separate video. So basically, Tolan is actually the fastest and smartest AI models available, which are actually fine-tuned to emulate the character of an alien from planet Bertula. This specific AI is actually capable of engaging in conversations for any topic, offering insights and remembering important details from your past interactions with Tolan. Basically, what you can do with this application is just a normal conversation. So this is actually offering a companionship and conversation about any topic, from maybe asking for a what you will be cooking for dinner or for breakfast, from the keys or scenarios that you'll be using as a studying for an exam. That's pretty much it. That's how you can use the Tolan application.